Hello. Today we're going to make a big mouth pumpkin. Now right now this doesn't look like much of a big mouth, but when I open it, suddenly it's got a huge mouth full of lots of Halloween treats and creepy things like spiders and bats and ghosts and all that stuff. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to start this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper. So what we're going to do is you're going to fold the paper in half, corner to corner. Okay, try to knead it as best you can, and then make a crease. Okay, and you're going to open it. Now you want to put the crease here at the top, and I'm going to fold just this top half here to meet it again, so it should look like this. I'll show you again. So again, you're going to take the paper, fold in half, and then take just the top half and fold it together. Now we're ready to draw. Okay, so the first step is we're going to make two upside down V's. Okay, and we're going to eventually turn them in. Now we're going to turn them into triangles, but that was just, I do that to kind of lay out where I want everything to go. And also I'm using a Sharpie, but I recommend you using a pencil at first. You can always Sharpie later in case you make a mistake. Okay, so then the next step is we're going to make a zigzag line. This will be the mouth. Okay, and now I'm going to extend it down past the line. Okay, and I'm going to do another set of zigzag line here, another zigzag, all right, till it meets. Okay, there we go. Okay, and now we're going to do, I'm going to put a curve at the top and a curve at the bottom. Now we're going to start making the pumpkin, the outside of the pumpkin shape. Okay, so I'm going to take a curve here and make it meet there. And again, it's going to cross the line and it's going to go right here. And do it again, you know, try to make it consistent, and if it's not perfect, it's okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, now our pumpkin looks pretty good, like a pumpkin. Now we're gonna do we're gonna open it up and we're gonna do the big mouth part of it. So we're gonna draw the line down here till it reaches the other side. Okay, and now we're gonna do the mouth. Same thing, we're gonna connect it. So now he's starting to get his big mouth together. And now the big mouth is ready. Okay, now we're gonna, as you can see in the original drawing here, you could see that it looks 3D. You can kind of see when you carve a pumpkin, you can see part of the inside. So we're gonna do that. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna draw another zigzag on top. Okay, and if you notice, I'm not connecting it. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw from here, I'm going to go parallel line up to the top. Okay, and this one you could touch right to the end. Okay. All right, looks pretty good. All right, and then we can even connect these zigzags with these little lines. Now it's starting to look a little more 3D. All right, now at the top, we'll do something a little different. What we're going to do is we're just going to make it kind of sideways here, so you can kind of see a bit of it. And then over here, we're going to do the opposite. Okay, and on the inside of the eyes, we could do the same thing. We can add, so it looks 3D. All right, so now our pumpkin's starting to look 3D. I didn't leave a lot of room at the top, but you know, you could put your little stem at the top. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now all you have to do is you could draw any shapes you want inside it. You could draw, you know, candy or anything Halloween themed or whatever you want to draw. And you can color however you want. Okay, enjoy.